Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today I'm going to make avocado dressing. I am going to use a zucchini, avocados, jalapeno, cilantro, celery, green onions, juice of a lime, and salt and pepper. This is a very simple and easy recipe. You are just going to add all your ingredients into your blender and blend thoroughly. You can definitely adjust this recipe to your liking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me on this journey as I try to build a healthier and kinder cooking repertoire.